Hi, Rachel here in Web Design 2. I am here to explain why you should use M's versus pixels. And the first point I wanted to make was that when you're using M's, they should be tiered. This means that you should always have your body subject first. So for here, this would be my body subject. And then you should have your property of font size, and then your value of however big of a percentage you want to see show up on the other side, I guess you could say. Um, Next should be your largest heading. So for mine, it says heading 1 using 3 M's. For that one, you want to have your H1, and then for your property, you want it to be font size again, and your value, you want it to be however big your conversion to M's is. So for like mine, I did on a conversion of 16 pixels, and I wanted it really large, so I used 3 M's. And then you repeat that process all the way down. So like the second line is H2 font size 2 M's because I wanted it to be a little bit smaller. Why would you want to use a larger heading or larger font? Well, when you're using different types of typography, the larger heading tends to stand out versus everything all being the same, which kind of it makes the viewer not want to look at your page as much, and it can cause a lot of distraction and boredom. Why would you want to use M's versus pixels? Well, M's require the percentage, which I showed you at the beginning, which is first and foremost, and it allows you to change how small everything is all at once. So like here I'll show how everything seems to change all at once, and that makes it a lot easier to get everything done. And that's why I think we should probably use M's versus pixels. Thank you for listening.